Ever pondered over the process of creating a free United States Remote Desktop Protocol or RDP? Well, wonder no more. Today, we unravel the steps to achieve just that. First things first, it's crucial to know what RDP is. Remote Desktop Protocol is a proprietary protocol developed by Microsoft that allows a user to connect to another computer over a network connection in a graphical interface. It provides a user with a graphical interface to connect to another computer over a network connection. Now let's dive right into the process of creating a free United States RDP. To begin, one needs an account with Google Cloud. Google Cloud offers a 12-month free trial with a $300 credit, which is more than sufficient to set up your RDP. Step 1 involves heading over to the Google Cloud website and signing up for a new account. Once that's done, proceed to activate your free trial. Step 2 requires you to create a project. Navigate to the Project drop-down menu, select New Project, then fill in the project name and location. For the third step, you'll need to enable the Google Compute Engine API for your project. This is easily done by clicking on Navigation menu, selecting APIs and Services, then Library, and finally searching for Google Compute Engine API and enabling it. Step 4 involves creating a new virtual machine, VM, instance. Navigate to the Compute Engine section, select VM instances, and click on Create. Fill in the necessary details, ensuring that your region is set to a location within the United States. Next, in Step 5, you'll configure the firewall to allow for RDP connections. Under the Firewall section, click on Create Firewall Rule. The targets should be all instances in the network, the source filter IP ranges, and the source IP ranges 0.000. Under Protocols and Ports, tick TCP and enter 3389 He for the port range. The sixth and final step requires you to connect to the RDP. Download an RDP client such as Microsoft Remote Desktop, input your public IP address, and voila, you've successfully created and connected to your free United States RDP. To summarize, creating a free United States RDP involves signing up for a Google Cloud account, setting up a new project, enabling the Google Compute Engine API, creating a VM instance, configuring the firewall, and finally connecting to the RDP. There you have it, the mysterious process of creating a free United States RDP demystified. Now you can enjoy the benefits of a remote desktop protocol, regardless of where you are in the world. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep innovating.